Are you having problems with lack of sexual desire, inability to have orgasm, anorgasmia, hot flashes, irritation, pain during intercourse, dyspareunia, pain or difficulty in penetration, vaginismus? The lack of female sexual desire, also called loss or decrease in libido, is the most common problem and affects between 15% and 35% of women. The causes are the most diverse, such as alterations in the sexual hormones caused by the use of contraceptives, childbirth, breastfeeding, menopause, disturbances in other hormones, and the use of antidepressants, among others. It is also possible that it is related to daily life and stress, and to the dynamics of the relationship. But know this, you are not alone. After suffering for many years with the lack of libido, searching the internet, I found the solution. Hi, my name is Sophia, and in this video, I will tell you everything you wanted to know about Provestra. Right from the beginning I will tell you what results I got. It made me super wet. While having sex I can feel an improvement on the 7th day. I felt my sexual desire go into action. I had problems with dryness, and now I have no problems with dryness. I am always in a good mood. My fiancé is so happy, so I warn you not to buy this product without first watching this complete video, because it can make you make the right decision about this purchase. And I'll say more, I have some worrisome things to say about the Provestra so that you don't buy it the wrong way. The first major warning that I want to tell you is that Provestra can only be purchased on its official website because they are pirating the product out there in several places. And I will leave for you here below in the description and in the first comment of my video the link that leads directly to the Provestra official website. First of all, I want to explain that Provestra does work, and it is very good, and it can give great results if used in the correct way as recommended by the manufacturer. However, keep in mind that each body has a different response time and results may come at different times to each person who uses it. Provestra has in its concentrated formula special ingredients to increase your sex drive, increase vaginal lubrication, increase focus, promote positive moods, reduce heat waves, reduce irritability, improve your sleep, promote full body arousal, regulate menstrual cycles, reduce night sweats, improve memory, increase sexual satisfaction, and the best of all, you can test the product for 67 days, and if you do not like the product you can cancel your purchase without question. But attention, for the Provestra to work properly, you really need to take the treatment seriously and take it by recommendation for at least 7 days so that you notice great results when doing the treatment. And yes, you can see the first result already in the first month of using Provestra, so it is essential to use it for at least 1 month to notice better results. Another important thing to note is that Provestra has no side effects and can be consumed by anyone because it is a natural product. So I wanted to record this video talking about Provestra to make it clear that the results work for those who do the treatment and correct way, and especially for those who use the original product on the site that I mentioned just below my video in the description. Just click there and you will be taken to the official website of the Provestra. I hope to have clarified your doubts about the Provestra. Any questions, leave a comment that I will help you.